In this video, we're going to learn how to create users, the different user types available, how to edit them, and what are the user rights available to the different user types, and how to edit them as well. We'll go to Systems, then Users. This will bring our users list. For demo purpose, we have two users already created here. We have two users created here. User 1, 2, 3. The user type defined for this is BS, which indicates billing staff, and the second user is admin, and the user type is BA, branch admin. We can click on the add button to add more users to this list or edit users. So for demo purpose, we're going to create a new user and we'll define the user type here. Now branch admin, otherwise company admin, would give the user full rights. Now here you should be able to see an option, maximum discount percentage. This is where you can set a limit of percentage for how much billing discounts can be provided for certain user types. So you can define here like 5% for accounting user type, and that user would be allowed to only provide 5% of billing discount. Now we'll check out the user types. We'll go back to System and then User Types. Now here are certain user types that are already provided. You can edit or add more user types to this. Now we'll check out user rights. We go back to System and then User Rights. This will let you edit user rights based on their function, roles, or department. This section is more self-explanatory. You can check the boxes in which the user type need access, that is more of department roles or function roles, and based on that you can select all. That will give rights to all the subsidiary or child accounts under each role. Otherwise you can check certain options and leave delete option under each role. So based on what kind of rights you want to define to different user types, you can select here and play accordingly.